Good day and hello everyone. I am Sura Usman. This is my video presentation about unsaturated hydrocarbons and one of the category which is the alkanes. In this presentation, I will be discussing the key points and examples. So let's start. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Based on our definition, the unsaturated hydrocarbons have at least one double-triple bond. It means unsaturated hydrocarbons are compounds made of carbon and hydrogen that contain double or triple bonds between carbon atoms. These bonds make them less saturated with hydrogen and more reactive than alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons can be divided into two categories, the alkanes and alkynes. In my presentation, I only discuss the alkanes, okay? Alkanes are unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain one or more double bonds. Because of this double bond, they have fewer hydrogen atoms than alkanes and are more reactive. For our general formula, we have carbon sub N, hydrogen sub 2N, and its nomenclature ends with the suffix "in". Moving on, how to name alkenes. Step 1. Change the suffix from "ane" to "in". For example, ethane to ethene to show that the compound has a double bond. Step 2. Find or look for the longest chain of carbon atoms that includes the double bond. This chain will be used as the main or parent chain in the naming compound. For step 3, number the carbon atoms starting from the end nearest the double bond. When you are numbering the carbon atoms in the chain, start from the side closest to the double bond. If there are two double bonds that equal in distance from both ends, start numbering from the side closer to a substituent or the branch. Step 4. Name substituent or the branches as prefixes to the name of the alkane. It means if there are branches or side groups attached to the main chain, name them as prefixes before the main alkane name. Step 5. When there are two or more double bonds, use special endings to show how many double bonds are in a molecule. Dene for 2 double bonds, trene to 3 double bonds, and tetrene for 4 double bonds. Finally, for the last steps, for cycloalkenes, number the rings so that the double bond is between carbon 1 and carbon 2, and the first substituent gets the lowest possible number. Let us proceed now on our examples. Number 1, have the 2-hexene. We have the 6 carbons chain, double bond at carbon 2 and no branches. Number 2 example, have 2-methyl and 3-hexene. Have the 6 carbon chain, double bond at carbon 3, methyl group on carbon 2. Example 3, 3-methyl 2 and 4-hexadiene. We have the 6 carbon chain, 2 double bonds at carbons 2 and 4 have and methyl group on carbon 3. For number 4 example, we have 3-ethyl, 3-methyl, 3-heptane. Have the 7 carbon chain, double bond at carbon 3, ethyl on carbon 4, methyl on carbon 3. 5 examples. For methylcyclohexene, we have the 6 carbon ring, double bond between the carbon 1 and carbon 2, methyl on carbon 4. And lastly, 5-methyl 1 and 3-cyclohexidine. We have the 6 carbon ring with 2 double bonds at 1 and 3, methyl on carbon 5.